Like to see transmission to recall, hit that
last
again.
Chance.
Electric window, last chance. I see, I know this is runway 15.
I see 15 heading matches.
I see a wind from the left via the sock.
All right, here we go. Cleared for takeoff.
To direct. Airspeed's alive left and right.
We're set.
Power set. 80 knots cross checked.
My tops.
Your tops. V1. Rotate. V2. Positive rate.
Gear up.
Oh, there it is.
Flaps up. One for two.
TR, B pumps. I'm gonna leave the AP. Let's leave the B pumps on and the AP running.
Okay.
Since it's coming so quick.
Spin my heading to 050, please.
Challenger 4 Echo Tango, contact regional departure.
Other departure 4 Echo Tango. Nice set. Alright, it's off, and we're still getting the noise.
Turn it back on now.
Turn it back on. Clunk, clunk.
It won't come back on now.
That won't come back on.
So here I am with Kevin,
Howdy.
and we just got over to Greenville, Texas, gonna pick up the owners, taking them out to North Carolina. And after we landed, started hearing some clunking in the nose gear area, and apparently the nose wheel steering is in op now, so we had to taxi into the ramp without the nose wheel steering, which was an adventure all on its own.
Yep.
Wasn't able to record that, sorry. But so now we're kind of dead in the water, sitting here at an outstation, waiting on mechanics to talk and try to find wire harness, part numbers, and see, if we can find them and get it fixed and get the trip going. So, we may end up getting to record some more, or this may be the last entry for this right here.
Well, maybe except for the hour-long Uber ride back to Dallas.
Hour-long Uber ride home. I mean, goodness, at least it's only an hour. I mean, we could be 3 hours away at this point and stuck. So, not the way you want to spend your Saturday, not the way you want to, give your product, but this is what we've been handed, so we're doing our best working on it right now. Been here on the ground for about an hour. Probably going to be here for a couple more. So for our more astute aviation enthusiasts, you'll notice this is not an airplane. We are in the truck with our mechanic, and there's our other pilot here. And we're headed back to the home base airport, pick up another Challenger, try the whole thing again, so we'll see. Apparently not going to be fixable, so it's dead in the water there. We'll see if we can still make this trip happen, hopefully.
All right, take two.
Take two.
39,000 feet and just leveled off on our way over to Asheville, North Carolina. I've actually got a family friend out there, so we're probably going to go out there, have a couple steaks, and hang out and talk for a little while. But yeah, definitely had a little bit of a rough day, rough morning so far. You know, everything actually started out pretty great. You know, plane got out to Greenville and everything was real smooth, but on the landing, on the rollout, you know, we started hearing this clunk, clunk, clunk here in the nose wheel area, and then the nose wheel steering just decided to die on us. So don't know if it's a squat switch or a wiring harness or you know, low hydraulic fluid is what we kind of thought it was going to be, or, you know, the computer could have been the issue. But we had a mechanic drive out there, which is, thankfully it's only an hour away from the base for the aircraft. We were just going to pick him up and then go. But he brought a Bowser out, refilled the hydraulic fluid, and it still wasn't that. So unfortunately it wasn't the easy fix. And so then we had to hop in the car back with him, drive an hour back to Addison, pick this plane up in a real hurry. Sorry we weren't able to really get the vlog prepared because we were just, I mean, jumping in the plane and taking off as fast as possible. Get out there, get our passengers, and again, right back in the air. So, you know, been a little bit of an exciting day. I didn't actually plan on getting anything on the vlog. I thought this was going to be a boring trip, but I guess I jinxed it by bringing the camera. So, should be a pretty smooth flight going out there. Still have an hour and 4 minutes to go right now. And so spend one quick night and come right back. All right, hey guys, I'm here with my friend Joshua Messick. He is a world-renowned hammer dulcimer builder. No, hammer dulcimer designer. Player. I'll give you the phrase designer. Okay. So he is just a really great musician. He's got his own YouTube channel going on as well. And I'm going to brag on my dad for a second. He's always bragging on me to his customers and his friends because, you know, his son is a pilot, gets to go see the world, which is something that, you know, a country boy from Oklahoma never would have dreamed for a family. So he's always bragging on me. This is my chance to brag on him. My dad is a hammer dulcimer builder. He builds these musical instruments, which is sort of like a predecessor to the piano, and he is a world-renowned hammer dulcimer builder, makes some of the best dulcimers in the world. So I know Joshua through my dad and through his business relationships, and we've become good friends, and we've kind of been going on this YouTube vlogging journey a little bit together. More like I'm piggybacking on his success. I call him all the time and asking him for advice and suggestions, and this camera that I have right now is actually a suggestion from him. So I'm up here in Asheville, North Carolina, like we know already, and he just happens to live here. So I came over to his house and grabbed a home-cooked meal, which is something I never get on the road. And so that was awesome. And it was kind of weird. He makes weird food.
I do make weird food.
It was great. It was so great.
But it was good food.
It was good food. And it was healthy, so that's something. That's probably why it tasted weird, because it was healthy.
Well, Asheville's known for weird, good food. I mean, yeah. So you're all part of the culture here now.
There we go. There we go. I feel like I've been inducted. So we are in his YouTube studio right now.
Right now. It's pardon housekeeping. I've been using it.
Like any artist, we're not worried about keeping it clean. We just want to make sure we get the best product, right? And you can kind of see, you know, he's got all these light boxes, light rings. He's got the camera mounted up here on the wall, stays put. And then up here on the ceiling, he's got a camera set there, stay put. He's got cameras, dadgum, everywhere. But I
mean, the more cameras you have, that automatically means that, you know,
it's going to be a better product.
Of course.
You're not a real YouTuber unless you've got, you know, more cameras than fingers, right?
That's right. And of course, the better the camera, the better your YouTube channel is, right?
Absolutely, right.
No, okay.
No, the best camera for a YouTube vlogger is the camera you're going to use and pick up and record with.
That's great advice, actually.
You know, you can really get a beautiful DSLR camera, but if it's so big you're not going to carry it around, you're not going to actually get anything to record, because everything's going to happen and you're going to miss it. So
tell the story.
All right. So here we go. He's going to play us a little bit.
Yeah, just improvisational stuff. Just new things I've been kind of messing around with a little bit. Some plucking.
Well, there he is, Joshua Messick, hammer dulcimer, national hammer dulcimer champion. I'll put a link to his YouTube channel down in the description. So definitely go over there, check out his channel. He's got a lot of great information, some great music there, and he's got CDs available, I think, on your website and all, if you want to check those out as well. So
I actually look forward to hearing that. I actually use my performance there. I use improvisation as a method for actually composing. And one thing I'll do is I'll play kind of like I did just right now. Then I'll go back and listen to it and think, ooh, I liked that section, or I didn't like that. And I use that as kind of a blueprint for just getting all my thoughts out without even thinking, just getting all the thoughts out. And then I start thinking once I go back and listen to it. So, Corey, maybe there'll actually be a song that comes from this, and we'll say, this right here was the very beginning.
There we go.
You know?
That's going to be the Apex Jet, or I'm sorry, that's my flying company. That'll be the Flight Life intro video. There we go.
That's right.
All right. Well, hey, thank y'all so much. We'll see y'all later. All right. Well, we've got the plane ready for departure. Got the coffee, ice, papers, fuels taken care of. Managed to snag $1 off a gallon for this guy right here. So that's great. Passenger's going to be here about 30 minutes early. Get to go home a little early. That's great. But the problem is, I don't know if you can see this well. It's wet. It's rainy. It's cold. We're going to have to do wet runway and ice, on for takeoff performance numbers. So just a little bit more complications, but all in all, going to be a pretty easy flight home, I think.
More takeoff checklist complete. I got us, what, a couple of 100 feet here? 100 feet? That's good. Winds are straight down the pipe. You're looking for 87.7. Power set. Airspeed's alive. 80 knots. Wing heat? Your tops. My tops. V1. Rotate. V2. Positive rate. Gear up. In transit. $400 feet. Flaps up. Autopilot's coming on. I see the side. Continuing. I got it. We're gonna land.
2 minimums. Glide slow.
I know. I'm below. Kill that, please. Landing gears down 3 green. My tops. 2 deploy. Alright, I'm touching the brakes. Brakes are active. Brakes are here. We got them. 90. 80. 70. And 60. I'm just going to take it to the end. No, I'm not.
think that went well.
Yeah.
There they are. These pedals are sticky. Alright, we don't need this. Let's kill that right now. Get back on taxi. Flaps up after landing at your discretion, sir. We're going to take our time here getting the jet prepped. Okay. And reload it. I don't want to get in a rush. Spoilers are in.
Okay. Greenfield traffic, Challenger 42 Echo Echo is clear of 17, taxi to the terminal. Greenfield traffic.